Hey folks, Marty up north. The SR9 Ruger took well, not a beating, but got used a lot today. 250 rounds. I was doing a black badge course for IPSC, which is the International Practical Shooting Confederation Club. So clear, no magazine. So this thing needs a good cleaning today. So disassembly of this thing. Push down on the ejector. Remove this. And then after that, it comes apart pretty easy. I don't do much. I'll do a quick cleaning of the lower. And then the barrel. Take out the spring. And there you go. So there's the barrel. So got my Hops number 9 cleaner. Got a brush. Quickly that gets it clean. Switch attachments. Grab a patch. A little solvent on the patch in a second here. Actually, these patches are big for. I can probably. Let me. A little awkward doing this with the staring over the camera, but a little solvent. Look at how dirty that is. And do another batch. Wow. Thinking maybe a third patch. Supposed to keep doing it until you get a clean patch that goes through. I wouldn't call it totally clean, but almost use another one. kind of doing it quick right now. You know, just showing you in general for the camera. I'll probably give it a little bit of a better cleaning offline. I want to show people a general idea. These things do get dirty. Out shooting in the rain today, so and I'll give it a little light coating of a little bit of gun oil. That's it. It's not much more complicated than that. Thanks for watching, guys.